This measurement tool is available in the Spectrum Analyzer mode. It is focused specifically to test the behavior of a transmitter when broadcasting an RF channel. We can find this tool by dragging to the center the hidden right screen menu. Occupied channel bandwidth is used to calculate the spectrum bandwidth that contains a specified percentage of power level for the broadcasted channel signal under test. We need to set the channel center frequency by pressing on Frequency in the lower part of the screen. In this example, 498 MHz. We can set up as well the span visualized on screen and the resolution bandwidth used. In this example, 60 MHz and 100 kHz respectively. If we press on Settings, we will be headed to the Tuning menu section, where we can set up as well the initial and final frequencies that define the total bandwidth over which we will monitor the signal. In this example, 494 and 502 MHz respectively. And finally, the percentage of occupancy ratio that must be satisfied over that bandwidth. In this case, we can see on screen that a bandwidth of 7.5 MHz satisfies 98% of the power level being broadcasted in our 8 MHz channel defined by the initial, final and center frequencies edited earlier.